Welcome you all. Careful for what you pray or wish for. No more recruiting, no more evangelizing, no more advertising, no more Zoom, Skype or live streaming presentations, no more loss of petrol money and precious time to go to hotel meetings, no more whiteboard living room parties, no more monthly fees or hidden upgrades, no more auto-ship or hidden fees, no more upgrading qualification pressure, no more onboarding, shipping and handling, wallet support or help desk troubleshooting. No more work from home. No more placement and claiming of the positions pressure. No more crooks stealing your downline or hard-earned cash. No more confusion. No more contracts. No more classified or daily routines. No more video watching or clicking on advertising, no more social media posting, no more more money in than money out, proven, tested, ready to go. Here's a true marketing solution for you, a team builder, an auto team builder that is taking care of everything. Once in, you're in and you don't have to do anything anymore. 100% hand-free, guaranteed automated online success, completely done for you, only for you, and can turn your income into millions monthly residual. Become a founder now before we open. Hurry up, ask me for an invitation. And when you see this on YouTube, click links underneath this video. When you see this on a page where you can leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number, do so. One spam will send you appropriate video information. And when you see this on YouTube, you'll see a little word spelled share underneath, approximately here. Just click on it, little social media icons pop up. You'll be able to share this video and grant other people via your own social media platforms. Sharing is caring. Get back to the person that invited you to this marvelous, inspirational video, and then I'll see you and yours probably on one of our fun events, Zoom calls, Skype calls, live streaming sessions, because we will grant this to other until it is being live. Then everything is on autopilot. So take the chance, claim your position, click links underneath, get in while it's still possible, and then I'll see you and yours definitely on the most beautiful beaches of the world. Check you soon. Thank you, Ash and team. You're the best.